All right, folks, let's dive into the world of stocks and tech. Today we're talking about Kyndryl Holdings, Inc., the IT infrastructure services company that was on a lot of people's minds in the financial markets. So here's the scoop. Kyndryl Holdings caught the eye of investors as its stock closed at $32.04, marking a slight dip of 0.03% in its latest trading session. Now you might think, meh, that's hardly any movement. It's true, the stock barely moved, but what's intriguing is how it compares to the broader market. While the S&P 500 saw a modest increase of 0.06% and the Dow climbed by 0.28%, the tech-heavy NASDAQ slipped by 0.1%, making Kyndryl's static nature slightly more interesting than watching paint dry. Okay, maybe not that much more. Where the excitement really starts, though, is when we zoom out a bit. Over the past month, Kyndryl shares have risen by 2.33%, outpacing both the broader business services sector, which lost 4.91%, and the S&P 500, which saw a dip of 4.29%. Looks like Kyndryl is dancing to its own beat, and not too shabby, considering the competition. But why are people keeping such a close eye on Kyndryl? It's all about the anticipated earnings report expected on May 7, 2025. The company is projected to report an EPS of 52 cents. That's an eye-popping 5,300% increase from the same time last year. Imagine finding out your favorite ice cream flavor has gone from being extinct to having an entire aisle dedicated to it. On the flip side, revenue is predicted to see a modest decline of 1.9% from the prior year, now projected at $3.78 billion. Now the value hunters among you might appreciate the dish on Kyndryl, being quite the value stock. With a juicy Zacks rank number 2 and solid value metrics, it's priced reasonably compared to peers. Kyndryl boasts a forward PE ratio of 15.43 and a PG ratio of 3.09, which are favorable compared to certain competitors like Duolingo, which sits on much higher ratios. So why all the buzz about Kyndryl today? Beyond the usual stock movements and industry comparisons, Kyndryl's potential for growth with its upcoming earnings report, a solid value proposition, and comparative industry standing make it, dare I say, a bit of a unicorn in the realm of tech stocks. Just wait and see if it'll trot majestically or if its wings will just flap a little harder next month. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.